In this video, I'm going to share a cool little hack how you can make money on Instagram. Now, this is absolutely free to get started with. It's available worldwide. And what I like about this is 90% of people on Instagram, they're not doing this. So they're leaving money on the table. And by following along what I'm going to share with you in this video, you can go ahead, you can reach more people, you can get more exposure to your brand, your Instagram page, and basically your products that you're promoting. So let's go ahead and jump into this and I'll show you step by step exactly what you need to do and how you set this up. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So I hope you're excited for this. If you are, go ahead, like this video, comment below, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. And very quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you want some free resources to make money online, I'll drop a link below for you. Go over to my blog, there's a members area here where it says awesome stuff. There's lots of free resources in there. It's all free, there's PDFs, courses, ebooks, other bits. So if you want that, go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So I'm going to go over here onto Instagram. So you can see this is my Instagram page, and to be honest with you, I don't post a hell of a lot of content on here. I focus more on my blog and also on YouTube, but I'm going to share a cool little hack on here with you. So if you just scroll up to the top here, so you can see on here, this is current number of posts, followers, and how many people I'm following. Now what happens on Instagram is you can go and only put one link on here. So what happens here is most people on Instagram, they have a link, and that's normally sending people over to a landing page or a promotion. And what happens now a lot of the time is people just simply click off that because you're sending people to a lead capture page where they've got to go ahead and put their email in, and people are getting, they're getting blind to this like capture pages and things because everyone's sending people over to a lead capture page to get an email, and then you go in the email list and then they just bombard you with constant crap about the products that they're promoting and stuff. But what you can do here is, and I really like this because it's absolutely free, there's this product here and it's called links.oo, and I'll show you this. But basically if anyone clicks on my profile here and they go over to this links.oo, let me go ahead and show you what and where this will send them. So this will open up here into a new page, and this is absolutely free to go ahead and get started with, and it goes here, so you can see here, this goes over to links.oo/not taught at school. Now on here, I can send people here to my members area over on my blog, the one I showed you at the beginning of the video. So if someone clicks on that, it will send them over to my blog here. If someone clicks on here, 5 unique ways to make money, that will go over to one of my courses. If someone clicks on here, funnily enough, that goes over to my Facebook group over on Facebook. And then I've also got a couple of products on here. Then again, I've got visit the blog and also visit YouTube, the YouTube channel. So basically what I'm doing here is, instead of just sending people over to a bog standard lead capture page where a lot of people do not bother with them and they just simply click off there, by sending them over onto here and bringing them into my brand and bringing into try and capture them basically on more different platforms other than Instagram, because people use Instagram but then they're also on many other platforms. So by using this links.oo here, what I can do is I can bring people over, I can get them in my Facebook group, I can then go and target them on Facebook, I can go over to my blog, I can get them onto my YouTube channel. There's just many more different ways that you can interact with people and actually engage with them. And from here, what will happen is people will come onto my YouTube channel or my blog and they'll get to know me, they'll get to understand what I'm doing and products that I'm sharing. And it's just a lot better way of going ahead and promoting products or sharing your brand and basically trying to get people over to whatever it is that you're trying to promote, because it takes on average about 7 interactions with something for someone to buy. So if you send people off to an offer today to buy something over on ClickBank, they may not necessarily go ahead and buy that the first time. They need to see it a few times before they do that. So for me, this is a much better way to go ahead and interact with people, because like I said, I'm interacting on, they can check out me on Instagram, but then I can bring them over to all these different places on here, and then they can start to know me, understand, trust, like, etc. And then what happens is over time, they may go into my email list, but I can provide content to them on YouTube, onto the blog, and then I can send them over to these different products here that I recommend. So it's a really great way, instead of just sending people to a one-page email like you see all of the time. Now in terms of this, it's absolutely free, so let me show you how you get this set up. So I'm going to go here, I'm simply going to go to here, links.oo, and I'll drop a link below for you, and click on here, and this is absolutely free to go ahead and join. You do not need to pay anything on here. Now there is a paid option on here, but basically you don't need it, to be honest with you. All that it does is at the bottom where, let me show you, at the bottom here, if you go with the free version, you've got this on. If you go for the paid version, you can basically remove this link here, and you can also change these colours on here. So you can do that. I think it's about $10, something like that, but I'm not doing that, to be honest with you. It's free, so we prefer free. So links.io, make sure you get your Instagram bio link perfect, and click on here, login, and I'll show you how simple this is to do. Now in this video, I'm not going to go over finding products on Amazon or ClickBank or all of these different things. I'll drop a link below to a full video on ClickBank of how you can go and find products on ClickBank that you want to promote on Instagram. It's really simple, it really is, but I'll drop a link to that below for you. But this is links.io, so we're going to go in the dashboard and you'll see exactly how simple this is to do. Now look, I do not have a massive following on Instagram, as you saw here. I've currently got, what, 1,630 followers on here. It's not a platform I spend a lot of time on, but I still get profile visits every single day of the week, and you can see in here. So this is the dashboard in links.io. You can see on here. So I updated this a couple of days ago. I put on the members area, and I also put on the Facebook group. But you can see here, it shows you exactly how many hits you've had on each one of these. Come down here so you can see all of the different hits that people are doing on here. So this is a great way of testing products out as well. So you can go ahead and get your products on ClickBank, you can bring them over here, you can test them and see which one people are clicking on and which one's the most popular. So if I'm looking at these here, I can see straight away this one here, 5-minute copy and paste trick to make $100 a day. This is going over and recommending a product called Flip Me. It's a great product and it's had 358 hits, and I've made quite a few sales from people just simply clicking on there. But from here, look, you can see you can drag, you can drop this around, you can change it to wherever you want, and to create anything on here, it's really simple. You click on here, and look, this is your title, so you can go in and play around with your title, and then down below here, this is where you put your link, and that is pretty much how this works. So I highly recommend this product, and the fact that it's free is just absolutely brilliant. So you can see up here, so far on this profile here, I've had 1,198 hits, and at this moment in time I've got a total of 7 links on here. And like I say, adding anything, it's really simple. You just simply put it in here. So let's just say if I want to type that in there, and then you put a link there, you click on submit, and then it takes a second, it will load up, and then it'll just put this down here for you, and then you can just drag and drop this and you can move it where you want. So you can see this moment in time that there has gone at the top. So if I was going to my links.io.profile, this new one here I've just added would be at the top. You can simply drag this and move it around just like that. But then you can what I've also found on here is it's a great way to go ahead and trial and test any products that you're promoting on here. So for instance, if I come down here, see this one here, this 5-minute copy and paste trick, this has had 388 hits, and this one down here, this real life case study, has had 250 hits. So I can go ahead and look at more products that focus on predominantly this make $100 a day, because you can see straight away they've both been on this links.io profile for the same amount of time. More people are interested in this $100 a day. Bizarre, because the one below this is an actual case study, and it shows you how to make $106 in 24 hours or less. So I don't know, but you can play around with this. You can go and have a look at this. You can test things, you can trial it, and you can move it around. So it's a really cool way to go ahead and get additional people over onto whatever you're looking at, whatever you're trying to promote. So let me go ahead and click on delete on here, and I'll very quickly just show you a couple of examples of this. So let's just go over onto Instagram and have a look at this. Let's just scroll through and find some people. So this Grateful Mind, so let's go and have a look at this. I can guarantee we'll just have a standard link profile on here. Yeah, Make Money Instagram. So this person here, they're just going to be sending you over to the usual landing page, email capture, and then they're just going to be pitching you a product. Whereas doing things a little bit different, using this links.io, it's just an awesome way to offer something different and just try and catch people on different platforms, because everyone's doing the same. Everyone's doing lead capture page, go into an autoresponder, and then they just pitch you products every single day once you go into the email list. Doing it this way, you're getting more awareness about your brand, you're getting more awareness about your products or your website, your Facebook, whatever. It's just a great way to go ahead and do things a little bit different and offer something more than just sending people into an autoresponder and then just pitch products every single day. So that is today's video. I will drop links to absolutely everything I've mentioned below for you, and I'll also drop a link to another video down below for you where it shows you how to go onto ClickBank, how to find products to promote. So an example is if you were looking at creating an Instagram page around weight loss or holidays or cooking and recipes, etc. That video will walk you through how to go onto ClickBank, how to find products that you can promote. Then you simply come over here, you get your links from ClickBank, you drop them in here, click on submit, and then you just have all this in your Instagram profile. But that's today's video. If you've liked it, go ahead and give the video a like. Any comments, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.